Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 14th, 2017, and today is Friday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, just one event coming up. It's a USD event coming. It's a CPI number that's coming out at 2:30 South African time. It's a core price index, which means it's more an inflationary number than anything else. It is an important number for us to know what's going on with the inflation report, but just be aware of it coming up later today. But let's see what's been going on in the markets the last couple of days. So the one we're going to start with is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones hitting all-time highs once again, 21,506 in the futures, as you can see here. And we're looking at a weekly chart. Look at that. Over the past 4 years, okay, we've gradually been going up and up. We've had a little bit of a, here in the middle, we had a little bit of a trading in the range. Finally, we broke out of it in 2016, and then boom, we've just been taking it up, and away. So looking at a monthly chart, looking from all the way back from 2009, we're about 4 points higher, 4 times higher than what we were in 2009. So it's a big rally for the Dow Jones. And this is finally, going on the back of President Trump and going on the back of, some of the revived technological advancements in the world, so on and so forth. So, where is this going to head? I mean, how much further is this going to go ahead? So, altogether, we've had these big rallies up, we've had these big gap ups and big gap downs, and it's really, once you get to this area, I believe it's a little bit more difficult to actually spot the pullback, so on and so forth. And we, as you can see here, we've been trading, somewhat within this range of 21,257-ish level and 21,480-ish level, 490-ish level, but we're breaking above that now. So the question is that I'd like to see further momentum for us to say, okay, this is a true breakout, and we're going to continue going into 21,000, even 22,000 maybe, if this is truly going to happen, okay? My sentiments at sometime in August, I believe we'll have a sell-off, okay? Just because, I think that there's a lot of money that's been made in the markets, and August going into the fall is usually a selling time, and once that starts capitulating, it'll move some momentum in the sales side. So keep an eye on it. But as you can see, it's still very strong. The Dow Jones is still very strong. Jobs are coming back to the United States. Consumers are spending money. There's a lot of money in the markets that is available for people to actually make. Looking at gold here, and this is indicative, right? The indices goes up, gold goes down. Gold is trading at 1,217, as you can see here, and we're down almost 100 points from our highs of 1,293-ish level, okay? And we're right there at support level. So I'd like to see us really hold this line, okay, to say that we're going to bounce off of this. So this might be something you'd like to just, try and ease into the position. We've had previous resistance at this level, subsequent support. So this is a decent support area, 1210, 1216-ish level. To actually buy this, maybe we'll bounce into the 1252-ish level, okay? This is a play. This is definitely an opportunity to actually get into this and actually buy this, and possibly with the bounce going to 1252. So looking at the Euro USD here, also trading at this resistance level, 114.55, and this is also connected to the Dow Jones, okay? And the reason it's connected to the Dow Jones, when the Dow Jones actually rallies, the price of the dollar sells, okay? And that's, we see that, okay? We've been seeing that for a long time, and more so than any other currency and counter currency, okay, like as opposed to the GBP or the Japanese yen, okay, the Euro USD is actually getting stronger versus the dollar. And this has also been a pivotal move because we've had this since last summer. We had a 1,000-pip rally, okay, that we're just exhausting at this level. So just realize that we're at a major resistance level at this 1455-ish level, multi-year resistance. And if we do break it above it, we could definitely jump to the 120 area. Okay, so keep this also on your radar to see maybe we'll sell off. So this might be a good opportunity to actually start selling this, in this 455-ish area. We've sold off a little bit further, 1417, to see if we hold this line and we don't sell further more down to the 113-ish level, 113.15-ish level, and hold the line. So looking at the GBP USD as well, we're trading underneath this 130, right? So, and we've been hanging out here for quite some time. So the thing is that this is a major really resistance level to break up because it was previous support. As you can see, the GBP is not rallying versus the dollar like the Euro USD. Okay, so if I had to line them up, I would say the Euro USD is the strongest versus the dollar. GBP is a little bit weaker than the Euro USD versus the dollar. And then, you know, the weakest is really the Japanese yen. And we're looking at that right now. We've seen this rally to 114.57 from 108-ish level, as you can see here, from the middle of last month. So this has really been a tremendous move and a correctional move finally happening for the Japanese yen. As you can see here, a little bit of a sell-off between this 114 level to 113 level. So, you know, I would say the Japanese yen is the least strongest versus the dollar. Okay, so that would be my, you know, that would be my list right there. Euro USD is strongest versus the dollar, then maybe the GBP. Okay, and then the USD Japanese yen. So if the markets, you know, if the Dow Jones is selling, okay, I'd probably look to buy I'd probably look to sell the USD Japanese yen, okay? And if the markets are rallying, okay, meaning the dollar is rallying, I would look to, you know, buy Euro USD versus the Dow Jones rallying, right? Because the dollar is getting weaker. So those are the plays. I believe you could still make some money today. Some of these pivot moves as we hit support and resistance today. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.